channel, and happy Sunday. So it's Sunday morning, and I'll probably be posting this video Monday, but I wanted to share with y'all more like a day in the life or Sunday routine. Sundays are just like downtimes for us. So I wanted this video to be like a cozy fall Sunday morning, afternoon, evening video, just kind of show y'all what we do on Sundays. Sundays we're usually with our friends or families. We get up in the mornings and we go to church, and then we usually either go eat at a little diner in downtown where Rustic Relics is. Y'all hear me talk about that all the time, but we usually go to downtown Clan and eat at Main Street with some of our friends after church, or here recently we've been going to visit with mom and dad and just be with them and eat. And so today we're actually going to mom and dad's, and we're having like soups and broccoli salad and cornbread, and I think mom's making candied apples. We're just gonna kind of go through the day, and it'll give you like all the fall feels. I'm actually gonna be sharing some soup recipes with y'all, different kind of recipes for the fall. So we're gonna go to mom and them's first, and then later this evening I'm gonna be showing y'all. Drew and I's been really wanting to make a charcuterie board. Miss Althea's making soup and stuff, and Kayla's making a dessert, and we usually always do game nights at Miss Althea, so I'm gonna be sharing with y'all some of the games that we love to play. Like I said, recipes, and Miss Althea and my mom both have their fall decorations up, so we'll kind of get a glimpse of those. So this is just going to be kind of like a very fun day in the life on a fall Sunday with my family. So I hope that y'all enjoy this video. So here's my outfit that I chose for church this morning. I was worried about the cowl with this, and Drew said that he thought it looked fine. So I got this skirt from Abercrombie & Fitch. Shirt, I cannot remember. I think it's called August Blue. That's where I got this. They have cute little graphic tees like this for the farm. Yeah, there it is. It's called little like farm tees. It's called August Blue. And then these shoes I got from Target here recently. Y'all saw those on a haul. And so this is my outfit of the day. And then also these earrings that Kayla got for me. She knew that I've been looking for some leather ones, black leather ones. She has the brown ones, and I really wanted black, so she got these for me from a place called Factory Connection here in town. But I just love these. There's Drew's clothes for church that he's about to put on, and then we'll be walking out the door. There's Kayla and Austin.
Happy Sunday, everybody.
You look cute this morning. I love that. Where'd you get that shirt?
Classy touch.
Oh my gosh, look at my skirt blowing.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Zach's singing today. I'm gonna actually link the song that he's gonna sing down below. Are you singing that one? The Blessings?
No, I'm singing with them.
Okay. Well, I'll link my like favorite song right now for y'all down below. Happy Sunday. We had a wonderful church service, starting out our Sunday the right way, and we actually got to witness a lot of people that chose Jesus and were baptized today, so definitely can't get any better than that. I told y'all I was gonna link the song that's like one of my favorites right now. I think I'm gonna link a couple of them, but I'm gonna link that song down below. It was sang at church today, and I just loved that song. And if y'all know of any songs too that y'all love, you love playing in your home while you're cleaning, cooking, whatever, that just gets you so on fire for God, y'all just send them to me in the comments below, because I would love to hear them. I love hearing different praise and worship music. Our church has a Facebook page, and I'll link that down below too. It's Lomax, and I'll link it down below because every Sundays they go live at what time? 10:45 Central Time, and so y'all can watch church with us. Also praise and worship songs, and especially if you're one of those that your churches have not opened back up yet and you want a church to watch, I love that they have that where it's live and you can watch it with us on Sundays.
His birthday was over in 3 days. That sounds like a...
Mom's famous potato soup. I think it's chili. Here is Mom's famous carrot cake.
But I bet it is nice out there.
I was going to show y'all some of Mom's fall decorations. She got those at the thrift store.
She can buy a car.
And this on her piano, and I love how it looks like. It's so cute. She got this from the thrift store. And then this is her bathroom. She got a lamp from the thrift store for in here. And then she hung up these curtains in here too to kind of warm it up for the season.
I don't think you can jump that far. Just try to jump over one.
Just try one first.
I can jump that far.
No, you can't. Told you.
I told you I can do it. Well, I don't do belly floppy.
Hang on,
They
let's
just call
listen
it
to
carpet. You see right here?
Right.
Close to right here. Jump over that.
Just like that.
Like
All
this? Yeah.
Oh,
There you
Put your arms across your
go.
chest.
Arm across chest.
The book my answers.
now we get to work out.
Oh, there we go. Come on. 5. All the way 10. 6.
Hey, y'all, stop holding.
Arms across your chest. Cross your arms.
Like this.
Put them on your belly.
Right. Do it. All right.
Okay, that's one
Porky pig.
You're not saying.
Oh, yeah.
A comedian on late night TV.
Johnny Carson.
Yes!
That's the one I had of it.
I want to guess.
My daughter.
Polly,
Cindy.
Cindy, Brenda, Donna. You're right.
I'm the one who went to our house.
I know who this is, but I don't know nothing to say about him.
Well, just try to say.
Somebody's on TV.
Andy Griffin.
Yeah.
See, you don't never know.
Here's Mom's centerpiece. I'm gonna show y'all outside too because she has it all fixed up cute. Alyssa's got toys out here. What y'all doing?
Setting them at the
Track. This is cute out here. Oh, I love this. Where'd you get this little pumpkin?
When I took Mom and Jerry to the doctor the other day, there's a thrift store in Thorsby, in Plant,
Mm-hmm.
and I ran in there. They were really expensive though. All their stuff was priced like for new stuff.
She's got a little pumpkin here too. So pretty much every Sunday, every time we get through eating at Mom and Dad's on Sundays, come and check out the progress on Joseph and Bridget's house. And Bridget's my sister. So they're building a really pretty house. I cannot wait to do home tours in here and give y'all updates. So this is actually the first update that I've ever shared with y'all of their new home.
We have to knock.
Knock, knock, knock.
Come in. Welcome to our new home.
They're going for the rustic feels in here.
Yeah.
They got it all decorated for fall.
Natural wood colors. Fireplace.
Their furniture
Our decorated mantel.
with paint. Looks so good. I won't show y'all the whole house because kind of hard to tell what's going on. We'll keep coming back though.
Look at Elon's. He built.
Their big bedroom back here. And then they'll have a big walk-in.
They have a bonus room with lots of storage whenever they move in. Drew and I's going to sell our home and we're going to move in with them. They got enough room for us. This is the kitchen over here and the dining room.
Breakfast room.
Breakfast room. Yeah, dining rooms
Over there.
over there.
Room right there.
Look at their view.
Where the bath is now.
Our dirt mound. Our future pumpkin patch.
hmm Big pool back here.
Yeah. Water slide.
Okay, y'all, so I came home and changed into something comfy. And we have got the stuff for the charcuterie board and we're heading over to Miss Althea's now to set that up. I just have on this cute little daisy or like sunflower sweatshirt that I got from Target this year, my shoes, and just some leggings. So we gotta run to Dollar General and get some crackers because we forgot about that with the charcuterie board, and then we'll go there and put it together. We are ready to start on the board. We're here at Althea's. They got soups going. I'll give y'all the recipe of these. We got Nanny here. Addison's got the cornbread going. So we're gonna start making this board. I have some cheeses, some olives, some pepperoni nuggets.
Peppermint.
That sounds crazy.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni nuggets. Cream cheese for this red pepper jelly that we got at Old Town Market. And then also the sweet fire pickles that we got from Old Town Market. Are you excited, Addison?
Yeah. Here you go. Here's the jalapeno you want.
We had to get a good shot of it. Me, Addison, and Kayla worked on this. It's so cute. We want to do a lot more of them. So we have pepperonis and pickles, pretzels, cheese, club crackers, what are these called? Wheat thins, olives, some more cheese, and some cream cheese and pepper jack jelly. And then we put some pumpkins so we can give you all the fall vibes. Here's our little spread. Kayla made a homemade apple cobbler. You can get at the frozen section at the Walmart. It is so good though. It tastes homemade. We have some cookies, cute plates Kayla got at the Dollar Tree. Right. The charcuterie board, and then I'll show you all the soups in just a minute. Althea, tell us what you made.
I made lasagna soup and potato soup.
She got the lasagna soup from Vicky. She said it was delicious. And she's going to share with y'all the recipe too. So all the recipes from the day will be linked in the, or not linked, but typed out for y'all in the description box below.
In this soup, in the lasagna soup, it called for rosemary. It called for dry ones, but I said I'm going to experiment and use my own essential oils from Young Living. So rosemary, and then I used parsley, and then I used oregano, and then I used thyme.
Yum. So you took a toothpick, stuck it in there, and stirred it in.
Yes, and I did those toothpicks individually.
Yeah.
Threw that toothpick away, and then I added to the next.
It's gonna be delicious. So we don't usually drop it in our soups because they are so concentrated. I'm telling you, like one drop is stout. So that's why you dip a toothpick in the oil and then just kind of twirl it in your soup.
Where is it? I would lay that 3 out. You would place this.
So this
with
is our
So
new favorite
you-
game.
yeah.
You have to get it on Amazon.
Yes.
So I'll link this down below. Hand me the box
Yeah.
so I can show them. Dutch Blitz.
How are you?
We love this game, and we bought the
I'm
expansion
good.
pack.
Everybody's over here. Whereabouts are we going on our next cruise?
Oh,
Well, that's
We're
what you
planning a
just
cruise
told me
now.
the other day. Our mama did.
oh, Addison's eating what? Pumpkin spice. What's it called?
Did she not
A
tell you
spice
that?
pumpkin pecan ice cream.
I need to go film that.
Well, that's
what it
news
looks
to
like.
me. She said,
She loves it. I tasted it. It's really good too. Spice pumpkin pecan, and it doesn't really taste like pumpkin spice. It's more like snickerdoodle or something.
"Oh, baby, I just gotta move on."
Okay, so now we're gonna play the chameleon game. We love this game. You can find it at Walmart, Target. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon too.
I'm actually gonna put it in my Amazon shop so y'all can get them easy.
Yes, we love this game.
And you can put Dutch Blitz on your Amazon shop.
Yes.
I got these off Amazon.
And it's called the chameleon because you have to blend in with everybody else. Somebody's gonna be the chameleon, and you're gonna have to guess who it is. It's kind of like I always describe it as winking murderer. If you ever played that game.
So what it is we passed out cards, and everybody has like a code, like what, a graph? Show them the other
Show
cards.
them another one.
Everybody has a graph, and
Like,
we rolled.
There's a set of blue ones and a set of green ones. So because
on the blue ones and the green ones, there's different code cards. Like they're different code cards. So you pass out a different stack each time.
So then you roll and it's 5-1. So you go 5-1. So it's C1. And there's different categories. So it's C1. So it's monsters. And only one person has a card that says, I'm the chameleon. Show them the blue card, chameleon. No, the one that says I'm a chameleon. Anyway, so C1. So everybody on this table has the code card that matches that C1. So
and one person got this.
One person got this. And so everybody has to go around the room and describe one word that's going to say monsters, but not give it away. But that doesn't give it away to the chameleon, right? Did I explain that right?
Because the chameleon doesn't know.
Yeah, the chameleon doesn't know what it is. And so whenever it gets to the chameleon, they got to think of a word that could describe something with phobias where they don't get caught. So they're trying to stay hidden and blend in with everybody. So here we go.
Make sure I get it right. I'm second guessing myself now.
Mm,
Wait, 5-1?
scary.
5-1.
Scary?
Scary.
Oh, Dylan's scared of all of them.
Crawly.
Slippery.
747. Snakes.
Itchy.
Powerful. Okay.
That's why you said what? Oh my gosh, I feel so dumb.
I'll think of something off the wall.
Okay, y'all, it's about 9 o'clock tonight. We are gamed out and we have ate all day long. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I hope that y'all had fun and got lots of ideas. I'm gonna link my Amazon shop down below, and I'll add a little board section with games in it, the ones that we like to play. I'll add just a few of them in there because there's Apples to Apples that we like and Clue. So I'll add some of our favorite game night games. We love playing games. We seriously do that like all the time. Anyway, and like I said, I'm gonna put all the recipes in the description box on some awesome fall soups. Oh, and Mom's carrot cake. Anyway, I hope that y'all have a good rest of your week, and we will see y'all on the next one. Bye, y'all.